Hey everyone, it's your man G-Ush002 with a special treat. I have a special treat for everyone. So just to give you guys a little bit of backstory, I was able to make it on the pre-order list for this item. I paid, Ami opened up payment for me Friday, so that would have been Friday, September 21st, East Coast time is when I got the email from them. So I paid them Friday evening, and I chose DHL as the shipping method, and DHL sent me an email initially saying that it will be delivered Wednesday of this week. Today is September 23rd? No, 24th, sorry. It's Monday. So it would be delivered the 26th, and I was like, that's fine. And then I got a text this morning from them saying that my item was going to be delivered today, so I was blown away. So big shout out to Ami. I appreciate you guys getting my order out super fast. Big shout out to DHL. Thank you for working over the weekend, getting my stuff through customs on the weekend. I mean, it's amazing. I'm blown away that I can get something from Japan within like 3 days. Like, that's just ridiculous. So anyway, without further ado, here it is. The YF-19 full set pack from Macross Plus. So let me get this box kind of out here for you guys so you can take a look at it. So it's a very nice box. Looks like, let's see. Okay, so that's a fold. Looks like this is like an outer cover that slides off. So yeah, so I have to cut the tape here. And then, let's see. Sorry for the camera shake, everyone. Okay, no, so it wraps around. So let me go ahead and do that. Let me grab my straight edge. See, there might be something else. There's one big one right here. Jasper. All right, so here we go. About to open this bad boy up. Dun dun dun. Oh man, they did the same style that the VF-31s have, where there's like the cover. The nice cover. That is sweet, man. That is awesome. Oh, here it is. This is definitely going the style of the Macross Delta figures. Of course, you have your Valk here, YF-19. Then here's, I guess I'm guessing it's all the hands and stuff. And then here, oh wow, you get all the ordnance. Okay, so you've got the fold drive there, you've got the hand blaster, you've got all these missiles and bombs. This is great. This is great. And then let's open up this down here. Okay, so here you have the effects set, and you have the stand, and you have some other stuff. This is awesome, guys. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I got this. I mean, it's here in my hands. I feel so lucky. I guess I'll go ahead and cut it open real quick. I'm going to pause the video real quick, and I will join you guys in a quick second. Just hang on a second. Okay, guys, so we're back. So I apologize. I had to fish it out of here, and I got the landing gear down. The rear landing gear were fairly straightforward. There's a couple of doors that open up. The rear landing gear just kind of folds out. The front landing gear, I never got a VF-19, So I don't know about this folding mechanism, but you can probably see how the landing gear is almost like a two-piece assembly, like it kind of folds in on itself. So that took a really long time. I had to get the instructions out of the bottom of the box to figure out how to unfold it properly without breaking it. But I mean, this thing looks amazing. I mean, it looks beautiful. This is gorgeous. Look at this. Just gorgeous. I mean, it's got the flaps and everything right there. It's got the hard points on the bottom of the wings. I mean, this thing is badass. I cannot wait to put this on my shelf. And I just have a couple of pieces from my collection here, just so you guys can take a look. Here's my Kairos. I showed the unboxing video for that a few months ago. It's got some ordnance from the Nightmare Plus on there. And I have the future version of the YF-19, which is the YF-29. I have the future version from Macross Frontier. So, yeah, this is, I really wanted to do this comparison here, just to kind of show you guys, how similar they are. Yeah, so new on the left, excuse me for my finger there, new on the left, and new Frontier on the left, and old Plus on the right. But as you can see, they look really cool. I'm really digging this YF-19. Anyway, it's getting about 7 minutes here, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the video off. And actually, before I do that, yeah, let's take a look at this set pack real quick. I'm probably the first person on YouTube that's doing this, so I'm pretty excited here. So let's see. So we have some pieces, I assume, for the different ordnance, and we have some fixed pose hands here. A couple of different pilots. I'm assuming one of these is Usamu Dyson. I'm assuming this is Samu Dyson right here without his flight helmet on. Yeah, this is something for the shield probably, and then you've got the gun. Now I don't know if the gun stows in the shield like it was, like the Valk did in the anime. I know that the Yamato version, I think it was the Yamato version, was able to stow the gun in the shield. I don't think that the Bandai version, at least the earlier Bandai version, the VF-19 was able to do that. So I'm going to test that functionality out, but I just want to let you guys know that I got this beautiful, beautiful Macross piece, this YF-19. I've been looking forward to this for a long time. This is on my short list. So my shelf is running out of space, and my video is running out of space too, guys. So yeah, I gotta cut it off, like I said a minute ago, because I'm starting to ramble here. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you feel free, please drop a comment, and just let me know what you thought about the video. I'm gonna try to do more unboxings like these, and maybe do some opinion pieces on different social phenomenon, whatever, like social commentary, my thoughts, maybe. But anyway, so this is a big video, and I wanted to share this with everybody. I think this is a really cool thing. It's a great time to be a Macross fan, guys. Anyway, this is GUSH 002, and I will talk to you next time. See you later.